In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 truly wireless earbuds that you can get for under $50. So I have ranked these earbuds on 3 main criterias: sound quality, comfort, and battery life. So I've put links to all these earbuds in the video description below, and you can check out these links for the latest price and availability. So without further ado, let's get started. Coming in at number 3 is Mpow's M30 Truly Wireless Earbuds. These usually go for about $40 on Amazon, but at the time of making this video, there was a 20% discount, and so you can get these for around $32. These earbuds have an in-ear design and they come with an ergonomic ear fin which reduces ear pressure and makes these earbuds very comfortable. The tight fit produces good sound isolation and a deep bass, which I really like. So both the left and the right earbuds, they have a built-in mic, and either of these you can use for placing calls or listening to music. You can freely switch between the twin mode or the mono mode, making these earbuds very versatile. One thing that I really like about Mpow is that they sell both the left and the right earbuds separately. So that means if you lose one of these, you don't have to go and buy the whole pair. You can just buy the left or the right one that you have lost. And I wish more manufacturers did this, because these are tiny earbuds and you are prone to losing them if you are somebody like me. So I appreciate the fact that I can just go and buy the one that I have lost instead of wasting my money buying the full pair again. These earbuds offer basic touch controls including play and pause, volume up and down, and the track control. Mpow M30 is IPX7 certified, which means that it is sweat proof. So this makes it a good choice for working out in the gym. The battery life, it's about 5 hours of playback time on a single charge, and the included case increases the total battery life to about 25 hours, which I think is pretty good. The charging case is compact and it comes with a USB Type-C port. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging, which is a bummer, but after all, it's a $32 earbuds. So I think expecting a wireless charger may be a little too much. So overall, for $32, you are getting a good pair of earbuds which deliver punchy bass. They are comfortable to wear for long, hours, and they deliver long battery life. So guys, check out the links in the video description below for the latest price and availability of Mpow M30. Coming in at number 2 is Anker Soundcore Life P2 Truly Wireless Earbuds. So you can get these for about $45 on Amazon. Soundcore Life P2, it sticks out of your ears, kind of like AirPods, but unlike the Apple AirPod, these fit very snugly in your ears, thereby giving good sound isolation. Anker decided to go all matte black with these earbuds. There is a golden logo on the top of each earbud, giving it a very unique look. Soundcore Life P2 comes with a charging case which magnetically holds the earbuds and it automatically aligns them to the charging pins. So it's very convenient. The charging case uses a USB Type-C port, which means you can reuse your smartphone's cable, obviously assuming that your smartphone is USB Type-C compliant. But unfortunately, there is no wireless charging, which is a bummer. The sound quality produced by these earbuds, I think it's really good. It has ample bass and clarity. Each earbud, it comes with a dual mic setup which helps reduce the background noise, especially during phone calls. Just like Mpow, Anker earbuds can also be used in both mono and stereo mode. You can easily switch from the stereo to mono mode by removing one of the earbuds and just turning it off. When it comes to battery life, Anker Soundcore, it gives a really good battery life. A single charge will actually give you 7 hours of battery life, which I think is really amazing. Now the charging case will extend the total battery life to 40 hours. So that should last you for a week very easily, even if you're using it a lot. These earbuds support fast charging. So a 10-minute quick charge can give you an extra 1 hour of playtime, and I really appreciate this feature. Now these earbuds are IPX7 certified, which means you can use them while working out, without worrying about your sweat. But they are not designed for swimming or for using in a sauna or a steam room, because they are not designed for that kind of extreme conditions. So overall, these are great earbuds for the price, and considering the fact that they are made by Anker, I think that's an added bonus. Over the years, Anker has built a reputation in making quality and affordable headphones, battery packs, and other gadgets. So check out the link to Anker Soundcore Life P2 in the video description below. And finally, coming in at number 1 is Tozo T6 truly wireless earbuds. They usually go for about $50 on Amazon, but at the time of making this video, these were 20% off, selling for only $40. Tozo T6 earbuds are super light and they weigh only 4.5 grams, and they are even smaller than a quarter. So out of all these three earbuds, the Tozo is the most, comfortable and the lightest. These earbuds are matte black in color and they sport a glossy black circular ring design. The charging case is also matte black and it looks very stylish. Unlike the other two earbuds, Tozo T6 supports wireless charging, which for $40, I think this is really awesome. Much more expensive earbuds from bigger name brands, they don't offer wireless charging. So I really appreciate the presence of wireless charging in these earbuds. These earbuds come with a 6mm speaker driver which produces excellent low, mid and high frequencies. For the price, I am very impressed with the sound quality, especially considering how small these earbuds are. They also have a built-in mic and provide in-call stereo sound. The Bluetooth pairing process is also very convenient. So all you have to do is simply pick up these earbuds from the charging case and they automatically connect to each other. Then pairing with your smartphone is just one step process. Both the earbuds and the charging case are waterproof and they are ideal for sweating it out at the gym. Now Tozo claims that these earbuds are waterproof at up to 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. But honestly, I will not recommend that you go, swim in these earbuds. Now I did not test out the 1 meter claim that Tozo is making, but I will be surprised if it actually works. I know a lot of these manufacturers, they over exaggerate. So for gym, for workout, for sweat, it's fine. But if you are planning to swim with these earbuds, I don't think they are going to work. Now, when it comes to the battery life, I'm quite impressed with the 6-hour playtime considering how small these earbuds are. And with the charging case, you get an additional 24 hours of playtime. And that should be plenty for most folks. Like I mentioned before, you can charge them wirelessly, which is a really great feature for this price. So overall, based on the sound quality, comfort, styling, and the battery life, Tozo T6 is the best truly wireless earbud that you can buy for under $50. So links to all these earbuds can be found in the video description below. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please subscribe to Money Panda for more content like this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.